Who's playing in the Super Bowl this year? Well, who cares, because this year's Super Bowl is all about the crypto industry spending some serious green to get the word out about digital assets. I'm Layah Heilpern, and this is the Exodus Crypto News. 4 of North America's biggest exchanges are paying for Super Bowl commercials. At $7 million a pop, these 30-second slots do not come cheap. And being able to afford this type of advertising is proof that crypto is a growing industry and its largest companies are profitable. The list of American exchanges that have bought ad space includes Coinbase, FTX, and Crypto.com. The exchange BitBuy also bought advertising for Canadian viewers. Given that the Super Bowl can draw an audience of up to 100 million people, a lot of Americans and Canadians are going to learn a lot about crypto in between touchdowns.
There is no delay of game. We didn't let the team go because we were switching out balls. It is 4th down. Reset the play clock to 25 seconds.
It's a good thing his microphone works tonight because he's given us some great interpretations.
The new Super Bowl ads match the general trend of increased marketing spend by the cryptocurrency industry. According to the analytics firm Media Radar, and I quote, digital currency advertisers spent $119.3 million through October 2021, which is up 159% from last year. Furthermore, advertisers spent $39.6 million in TV placements, up 172% from last year.
FTX is giving away the time their ad runs in Bitcoin, and I'm going to win for charity.
It's exciting to see the crypto industry spending more to promote digital assets and blockchain technology. As the crypto market matures and more people join the space, we expect that the ad spend will continue to increase. What else is there to know about the Super Bowl? Well, the NFL has announced that anyone who attends the game can claim a set of commemorative NFT tickets customized to each person's row and seat number. This will be the first Super Bowl in history to give out NFT tickets, but I'm sure it won't be the last. While it's exciting to watch NFL embrace crypto, the larger picture is that in a few years, NFT tickets won't be a marketing ploy. They will be how tickets are simply bought and sold. Concert and sport tickets are one of the most obvious use cases for NFTs, and large companies like Ticketmaster are going to have to start catching on to that fact very soon. Today's blockchain platforms probably aren't technologically ready to start supporting hundreds of millions of ticket sales each year, but we're rapidly reaching a point where this is going to be feasible. Thanks for watching, everyone. We've got a lot more videos for you, so just click any of these to keep watching. Until next time, hodl on.